Hello and welcome to Stock Alerts Trading Academy. This is Jay here. So we are at the end of the market today and it's 3:51 p.m. now. So this video we are actually recording to show what we have done in last 1 month. In this entire month what we have done as day trading, and usually we don't do day trading. But there was a request from our students that we should also do day trading, and what we did is we traded on behalf of them in their account with a very minimum amount. One account had around 1,290 rupees or something in their portfolio. That was the capital they had around on July 2nd, and another account had an amount of just 302 rupees or something at the starting of July 2nd. So today we have completed 1 month by day trading in that, and it was purely done by me. So what I am going to do is I am going to share what we have done and what is the returns that we have generated in this month by doing day trading in those two accounts. So it's not going to be any Excel sheet or something. We are going to show you direct ledger balance of that account, so that you can also check what we have done and what is the amount today in that account. So as you can see this, now there is a cash limit of 3,282 rupees something. That is the total capital in this account. At the start of this month, it was 1,290 or something. Let's go and check how much it was. So you can click here on the transaction report to see what transactions have happened in your account. So if I click here, you can click here on the ledger summary, and you will get all the details of the trade that you have been doing. So I will change the date of here from 2nd of July this month, and you can see what we have produced till now. Let it be 31st July 2018, and I will click on the show button here. Okay. So now you can see the trades that we have taken and what is the profit and loss over here. So I will go down here. You can see the dates of this month, and we have taken trade in each and every day. So as you can see, on 2nd of this month, okay, there was a trade taken and the trade went negative, and this was the starting amount when we started in this account, that is 1,129 on the 2nd of July. Okay, and then you can see we started taking the intraday trades on this, and we started getting some profit, some negatives, then again profit. Sometime what happens is in this ledger statement you will see the combined of 2 days also, so it might be a bit confusing to you, but just look at the overall growth. From 1129 we went on to 1290, 1681, 1901, then it started decreasing, then again increasing. So it was up and down, up and down. And today, if you see morning, the opening balance for yesterday, this is for yesterday actually, this was 3116, and we made a small profit yesterday also. So that is why the trade balance, I mean capital balance, is 3282 now. So just think about it. We started on 2nd and we have traded on all the trading days, majority of the days. Okay, and we have had the losses also. These minus are the losses which have been debited. DR means debited, CR means credited to the account. So these are all bill for the trade, means all the dates we have done the trades. So if you see here, starting is 1215, or you can say 1129 is the starting. Opening balance, if you compare, it is 1215, and today it is 3282. Okay. So we have taken one trade today also, but it has not given any balance, I mean any profits today. You can see market rate is this, and MTMPL is your profit loss, that is zero, booked profit loss zero. So today we have booked at zero loss, only brokerage will be going for today. If you click here, you click on order, you can see we have used the bracket order. So every trade we use the bracket order, and you can see the buy price is 164.90 and sell is also 164.90. So this is one account of our students. So we helped them out in doing intraday trades. So they were live with us during these trades. So we will be continuing to trade in their account for another 1 or 2 months till they are successful in the day trading and they can do of their own. Okay. Now I am going to show you another account details where you can see how we started and today what is the balance. So I will just log in now. Whoever trades intraday, we tell them to start with very low amount. It is totally different from investing. Okay, so you can also start with 100 rupees or 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees. That is more than enough to trade regularly on the market and know how market behaves and what happens in intraday. So you will get the practical knowledge about the market before putting. If you can't protect your 100 or 500 rupees, you cannot protect your 1 lakh or 5 lakh rupees also. So this is the basic thing. So let's click on, see whatever trade we took in that same trade we have taken this IOC. So 164 was the market rate during the closing. And this also we booked a profit of just 2 rupees or something. This is a small account compared to the earlier one. So you can see here executed price and buy and sell price. Okay, and if you click on the reports and if you click on the transaction report, you can see what was the balance during the starting of this account. So we will click on the ledger summary and we will start with the date of July 2nd this month till date. You can select here July 2013. Let's click on show. Okay, so this is showing you balance of day before yesterday. Yesterday's profit is still not added, it will be added tomorrow. And if you come down here, you can see the opening balance 328, then a small trade 302, then there is a growth 351. These are all traded bills, bill for the trade dates. So all day we have traded in this also. So if you see here, there is a steady growth in this. Okay, all trades were taken this month. And today we have the balance of 870. Fine. So let's do a simple calculation. What is the returns percentage that we generated in 1 month in both of the account? So what I will do is I will take this balance and the starting balance. So it is 870 now, and at the starting it was 328. So let's calculate. Roughly it is more than 100%. So let's do a simple calculation. I have already opened the percentage change calculator. So initial value was 328.20. I will omit the point values 328 and the final value is 870. So you can see here we have generated 165% in the intraday trade. So the main importance of showing this is if you can trade properly with knowledge and proper risk reward, you will see these kind of profits in your account. So the best way to start is start with a low capital, learn first. Okay, and let's compare the percentage change in the other account. So we have created here 165.24% in 1 month in this account. So let's check the percentage change in the other account. Usually, I am a long-term investment type of person. So I don't do much of intraday, but I am very well aware of markets, and I do teach my students how to trade intraday trades. So if they are interested in intraday, they can do intraday by themselves. These two students were getting little bit difficulties for intraday, so I started trading in their account just to show how you can be disciplined and you can make money from the markets. Just let me log in this. So I will calculate from the opening balance and this balance. I mean, the balance is showing in that. Let's just summary. Just let me change the date here, 2nd July. Two 2018. Okay, so I'm going to enter this value 3116, and the initial value I'm going to change it to the 1215. So almost same type of returns in this also. Okay, so you have made 156% returns in this, roughly. Okay, so I'm gonna close this thing right now and show you a little bit of what you're going to learn in our class. Okay, so let's close this thing and let me jump over to the PPT. So when you will be joining our classes, it will be a one-on-one personalized mentoring class where you will be learning to build portfolios with much more advanced fundamental analysis, like using a DCF, discounted cash flow model, or net present value models, and all those things. And then you will be also learning dividend strategies and how to identify value stocks that can give you multifold returns in the long term. Okay, and then we will come into the monthly income generation process, that is trading derivatives, your futures, options, and commodities. Okay, so we basically started on 2002, and today it's 2018, so almost 16 years in the market, and you are going to gain all those knowledge that we were not having during the initial stages. So there are also some advanced concepts which we call as supply and demand, that is also necessary for you. But the main importance is of this course will be that we do not use indicators at all. So if you want to learn how to use indicators, so these are some advanced concepts that you are going to learn. This is a drop-based rally, and these are demand zones for you. So there are plenty of things that you can learn from this course. And we do not trade based on indicators at all. So we don't use indicators. So if you are using indicators and you are making money, it is well and good. But if you are not making money with indicators, it's time to change your strategy and look for some strategies which work well in the market. Okay, so you can look for the course details which is available on our website, or I will be sending you the course details in the link. Just check it out. What we are going to teach you, it is totally available in that course module. You can see And if you're interested and you want to trade and invest with discipline, money will be following automatically. So do take a decision, and let's hope for the best. If you're trading yourself also, be safe and trade safe. Thank you. Have a great day.